downside,
Ah,
sir.
right. Okay, so I'll just come to this part, second part here. Tansen went to Akbar's court in 1556 and soon became a great favorite of the emperor. So last part we are going to see that, and then you know that who was very much jealous of Tansen, who was one of the courtiers. And yes, Akbar would call upon Tansen to sing at any time. So he was favorite of Akbar. And who was Akbar? Akbar was Mughal emperor. Yes, emperor. You know that Mughals
Yes,
they
sir.
ruled this country
Akbar
for a
Birbal.
long period, and Akbar was the one who was a very famous, yes, emperor, right? Mughal emperor, right? Okay. So he loved, he liked music very much. He liked art very much. So during his period, art, music, they were given a lot of importance. And he liked to, yes, listen to the music very much. Yeah, Akbar's monthly Birbal was very clever, right? Yes, he was known for his wisdom. So one of the James, Birbal, and one of the James, musician, famous musician Tansen, right? So quite often you would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice. So when he was practicing also, he used to hear him, he used to listen, yes, listen to that soothing music. So he used to give him a lot of presents, he used to give him a lot of gifts. And some of the courtiers, they became jealous of Tansen. So Shaukat Mia was the one. He had a bright idea. And what is that bright idea? How to ruin Tansen. So they thought that if he sings Rag Deepak, what will happen? It burn to ashes. So what happens if Rag Deepak is sung? So what happens if Rag Deepak is sung? And sing, sang, sung. So sung is the past participle form of sing. Okay. If Rag Deepak is sung, then what happens? Singer burns, yes. He will be burned to ashes. So he will die. So they have got a plan now to kill Tansing. But you see, these musicians, they are jealous of each other. So there is professional rivalry. What is there? There is enmity, there is a professional rivalry. If Rag Deepak is properly sung, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. So if Rag Deepak is sung, then what will happen? The air will become so hot that the singer will be burned to ashes. So singer will die. So yes, Aryan says that his plan doesn't work. So here he has come out with a plot. So what is his plan? To kill Tansen. So here Tanmay Verma. Yes. So Tansen is a very good singer. If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die and we will all get rid of him. So we'll be rid of him means what? We'll be able to get rid of him. So they have planned to get rid of whom? They have planned to get rid of Tansen.
Tanzig.
So they want to kill him, isn't it? So Shaukat Mia
Yes, sir.
approaches Akbar. He goes to Akbar and what did he say? We don't think Tansen is a great singer. How can you say that he's a great singer? Let us test him. So let's have a test. Now, yes, your term ending examination is approaching, isn't it? So it's going to be a test
Yes,
for
sir.
you. Okay, we are going to test you, right? Tansen is wider than Shaukat Mia. You're right. So tell him to sing Rag Deepak, and only the greatest singers can sing it properly. So I'm very happy that some of you are adding and all, and you are thinking that really, during that particular time, who is wiser? That was very important. Now, he can't refuse. Who can't refuse? Tansen can't refuse. Whatever the king says, whatever the emperor says, he has to listen to him, isn't it? So, of course, he can sing it. Tansen can sing anything, Akbar said. So, Akbar says, yes, Tansen can sing anything. I'm quite sure that Tansen will be able to sing. And now, when he was asked to sing, yes, Rag Deepak, Tansen was afraid. He was scared. Why? Because if he sings that Rag Deepak properly, he would be burnt to ashes. He knows that, but could not disobey the king. But he could not refuse to obey the king. He has to follow the orders of the king. Very well, my lord. but give me time to prepare myself. So yes, Ishan says that he'll make a plan, right? Give me time to prepare. He says, you give me time, I'll prepare myself. Tansen went home. He had never been more downcast. So he was a downcast means he was very sad. He was very unhappy. So what was the problem? If he sings Rag Deepak, he will die. If he says no, then it's like disobeying the king. Now what is to be done? And now he has agreed, yes, I'll sing. Actually, king does not know how we got time to study. Yes, what is that, sir? How we got time to study? What is that? I didn't understand. Somebody says that how we got time to study. We have got plenty of time to study. Yes, Ishan, Mijab, preparation, time to study. Yes, but give me time to prepare myself. Akbar did not. Right. So he had never been more downcast and unhappy. So he was very sad. He was downcast. Yes, I can sing the raga. So he says, I can sing the raga. He told his wife. But the heat it gives off will not only set the lamps alight. So what will happen? Deepak jalega. So he will be able to lit the lamp. So lamp will be lightened. But if it is lighted, then if it's lit, then what will happen? He will also die. Tansen's wife is so it will also burn me to ashes. And remember, Tansen's wife, who is she? Husseini. And she is also musician. Okay. Now here, then he had an idea. No, sir, how Tansen asked the time to sing. Then he had an idea. What is that idea? If someone sings Raga Mega, yes, if someone sings Raga Meg, so this is a very important part of the story, isn't it? So very important part of the story. And why it is very important part of the story? Because here it is about these musicians, their professional rivalry and how they put, life of some other musician at stake. So if someone sings Raga Mega at the same time and sings it properly, it will bring rain. So he had that idea. See, if I sing Rag Deepak, it will become hot, the air will become hot. Yes, the lamp will be lighted. Okay, fine. But what happens if Rag Megha, if somebody sings, it will start raining. And if it starts raining, what will happen? The hot air, what is there around him? Yes, that will not be hot. Perhaps our daughter Saraswati and a friend Rupati could do it. So, who is Saraswati and Rupati? They are friends of each other. So, daughter
Sir,
Saraswati
your voice
and
is breaking.
yes,
Sir, your
Pureshwar,
voice is not clearly.
Sir, your voice break.
my voice is breaking. Huh? Yes, I think
Yes, sir.
it's. Are you not able to hear
Yes,
me?
sir.
Yes,
What?
sir.
Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear or it's not clear?
Yes, sir. Your internet problem is there, sir.
My
What, sir?
internet, my
Sir,
voice
your
is not
internet
clear.
problem is there, sir.
Internet problem
Yes,
is
sir.
there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How you know that there is
Yes,
internet
sir.
Your
problem?
mic.
Internet problem is there, sir.
Problem is there? Okay,
Sir,
fine. Uh, yes, still. Okay, then what I will do in that
Yes,
case, I'll
sir. In
stop the video.
triangle, there will be an
Okay.
exclamation mark.
Okay. Are you able to see? Yes, hear my voice? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
sir,
Yes,
My
sir.
sir,
voice
Now
is
your
it
I can
clear?
hear you, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. It's a clear.
Also,
Okay.
sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now it is
Now,
clear.
okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay. He taught the two girls to sing Ragamik. So whom he has taught? He has taught Saraswati and Rupati. Yes, these two girls raga meg. And what does Birbal say? If someone sings raga meg, then it will start raining. Then, if it rains, definitely he will be able to save himself. Okay, right. So now you see the competition. Somebody is going to sing Rag Deepak. Who is going to sing Rag Deepak? Tansen himself is going to sing Rag Deepak. And who is going to sing Raga Megha?
his
Raga
wife,
Megha.
sir.
Yes, not his wife, daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupati. See, his wife is Husseini, but who is going to sing? His daughter Saraswati and her friend Drupati, they are going to sing. So Saraswati and Drupati are going to sing Raga Megh. And who is going to sing Raga Deepak? It's a Tansen who is going to sing Raga Deepak. He taught the two girls to sing Raga Megh. They practiced night and day for 2 weeks. See here, practice. Practice, that is the noun form. But if it is yasi, then it's a verb form. That's why practiced. So they practiced day and night. We say no, day and night they have practiced. But what is given here? They practice night and day. So we can say they practice day and night for 2 weeks. Tansen told them, you must wait till the lamps start burning. So at first what will happen? The lamps will start burning. But remember one thing, if a good musician will get engrossed, he will be engrossed so much in the music, he'll forget that what is going to happen to him later. So once the lamp starts burning, after that what is to be done? That's what he says. What is to be done? Once lamp start burning, once deepak is lit. Deepak means what? Lamp. जब दीपक जलेगा, then you should start singing. Otherwise, Tansen was going to get burnt, and that is the reason why he has taught that. So both ragas were sung according to plan. So plan is made. Who has made plan? WIL will is wrong and WILL will is correct, right? So both of them they are made plan. Okay. Now at first Tansen made a plan and he conveyed his daughter Saraswati. Then daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupoti, both of them are trained now. They are trained in what? Ragameg. And they are supposed to sing Ragameg once the lamp starts burning. Okay. So let's go to the last part of this story now. The legend goes that the legend is the story that has come from generation to generation. Yes, the story that has come from generation to generation. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Ragadeepak. So the whole town assembled, the whole town gathered, सभी लोग आ गए. And on a particular day, on the appointed day, on the fixed day, they had planned no. So it was a very exciting event. Definitely, it would be very, very exciting event because you see the power of music. You see, with the power of singing of Tansen, he could lit Rag Deepak. How unfortunate we are, no? See, कितना हमारा बैड लक है तानसेन जैसा म्यूजिशियन हमने देखा नहीं है. He could lit rag, yes, lamp, or miraculous, isn't it? Such a miracle happening during that particular time. When he began to sing, the air became warm. What had become warm? The air became warm. Very hot. When he started singing, soon people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. They started sweating. When it's quite hot, during summer, you start sweating, isn't it? So sweating. So who was sweating? Now all that audience, all those listeners, those were there present there. Yes, they all started sweating. Why they started sweating? Because Tansen was singing Rag Deepak. So the air that was there around, that had become very warm, that had become very hot, and that's the reason why they all started sweating. The leaves on the trees dried up. You see the impact of his music, the impact of his singing, and fell to the ground. So the trees, leaves of the trees, they started getting dried up as the music continued. Birds fell dead. So birds started dying because of the heat and the water in the rivers. So what has happened? Water in the rivers. Yes, it's all due to heat. And who is singing? It's a Tansen who is singing, right? So water also evaporated, right? Water in the river started getting boiled up. So as a result of that, it started getting evaporated, right? People cried out in terror as flames shot up. So क्या जलने लगी? हाँ, दीपक, deep, deep जलने लगी. Flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. So the lamps started burning. So the lamps were lit. So suddenly the flames have come, and then the lamps which were there, they started getting lit. Rag Deepak. Who was singing that Rag Deepak? It's a Tansen who was singing. Is it Birbal or Tansen?
Tansen.
Tansen. Okay.
Tansen.
Birbal was known for his wisdom, and great musician was Tansen. Now Saraswati and Rupmati. Who is Saraswati? Who is Saraswati?
His daughter.
Daughter. Yes, Tansa is the daughter. And Rupati, friend of
Saraswati's friend.
Saraswati's friend. Yes, Saraswati's friend.
Sir, if Saraswati and Drupadi was not there, the plan will be not held in that
Yes.
place.
If they would not have been there, what would happen? Tansen would have died, isn't it? He would have been burned to ashes. So daughter started to sing. Yes. At once Saraswati and Rupati began to sing Raga Megh. And then what happened? When they started singing Raga Megh, the sky clouded over. So the clouds, yes, the sky was full of clouds, and the rain came down, and it started raining. Yes, it started raining, and when it started raining, then Tansen was saved. How Tansen was saved? What happened? Yes, yes. How Tansen was saved? It started raining,
Sir,
isn't it?
because due to the rains,
Sir,
it
by
Right.
is
Ragamegh.
going cold down.
Yeah.
The rain will come, then the
Sir, by
area will become cold.
Ragamegh.
Right. When it starts raining, no? Yes, the
Sir,
hot
by
air.
Ragamegh, they say,
Sir,
Right.
I have a
they
doubt, sir.
Tell. What is your doubt? Yes.
Sir, the rag meg, even the great singers will sing the rag meg. Then
Ah,
the rain will come.
ah.
Then why the droughts are coming, sir?
Right. Very good doubt.
Where are the droughts? We have to call the who are singing the rag meg, and we have to tell to sing them. And the rain will come.
Yeah, yeah. But see, we don't have such great musicians who can sing Raga Meghna, right? If we would have had such a great musicians, probably yes. So yes, the problem would have been solved, right? Very good idea, right? So Raga Megh, if there is any drought situation, we can get rid of it, and then there won't be any famine, isn't it? So enough
Sir,
food would be there. So
for
no one can
singing
sing
over
that Raga.
Ragamegh,
Yes.
there will be flood, sir, in the place of drought.
There would be flood. Right, right. There would be flood. And in some places where there is no drought situation, there would be flood. Right? You see, the due to global
Yes,
warming, the
sir.
climate, it has changed a lot now. The right climate change is there. The yes, now this globe is getting heated up. Yes, the temperature is going up like anything because we are polluting the air. And what is very much required now is sustainable development. Yes, iceberg, they are melting. Yes, iceberg is melting. The globe which is there on which we are living, the earth, Mother Earth, we're not taking care of the Mother Earth. It's mainly because global warming, right? During that time, very good people were there. People were thinking about the future generations. We have to think about future generations, and we have to see that we save this Mother Earth. Okay, fine. So anyway, coming down to the reality phase, this may not be true that Rag Megh was sung and all. Rag Deepak, one can lit lamp with the help of the music. But music, yes, it has got its own effect. It will be very soothing when you are very sad and all. And some of them who are suffering from so many diseases, they can get rid of those diseases. If you are very sad and all, listen to the music. Definitely, yes, you'll be yes, will feel very very comfortable, isn't it? You must be enjoying the music, and I know that some of you are yes, some of you are very good musicians. You can play different instruments. I'm very happy with that. Yes, yes. Are you not able to hear me? Okay, in that case, I'll just
Sir,
stop
we
the
can
class.
hear.
audible,
Sir,
sir.
Sir,
Sir, audible.
sir, you are
You
audible,
got
sir.
somebody? Okay,
Sir,
fine.
Sir.
Okay,
you are
fine.
audible.
Right. So we'll just complete
sir,
this, and then
because of
after that,
their internet problem.
Okay, fine. So we'll just complete this and then after that we can discuss about this global warming and other things because many of you are adding that. Good that you
Yes, sir.
should keep yourselves updated with all that. Okay, right. We can think about how we can save our mother earth. Maybe a small step on our part. Yes, definitely it will help the future generations. Right. Coming down to this story now. The story goes that he was very ill after this. So Tansen was saved, but Tansen fell ill. And Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. But naturally, he would have suffered a lot because the air that was around him had become very, very hot. And you remember one thing when he had engrossed himself, probably, while singing and all, that may be the reason why he has suffered a lot afterwards. He punished Tansen's enemies. So Akbar realized that it was the plot of his enemies, and they wanted to kill, yes, Tansen. He came to know, yes, how did Tansen save himself, and why did Tansen suffer a lot. He could come to know everything about that. And when Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. The entire city was quite happy. Otherwise, Tansen, the musician, yes, Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585 when he died. So, which year he died? Yes, Akbar realized his mistake. And which year he died? He died in the year 1585. Yes, he composed several new ragas. So, he has composed, yes, new ragas. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. So, where is Tansen's tomb? Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. So why do they worship him? Because he was a great musician, and that's the reason many of the musicians prefer to go to that tomb of Gwalior, where they visit that tomb of Gwalior. Okay, so when did Tansen die? He died in the year 1585. Who was Tansen? He was a great musician. In whose court Tansen was a musician? Yes,
Akbar.
Tansen was a musician. In whose
Akbar.
court? Yes, Tansen was a
Akbar.
musician in Akbar's
Akbar's
court.
court.
Okay, with that we have completed this
Akbar.
chapter. Yes, Akbar. With that we have completed the chapter. And what is the
Yes,
title?
sir. We have completed.
Yes, we have completed this. And remember, now you have to get ready for term one ending examination, right? Yes, you all ready for the term one ending examination? So all the
Yes,
chapters,
sir.
5 chapters,
Yes, sir.
5 poems,
Sir,
plus
Yes, sir.
sir, in how
few
many days?
lessons stacked with the sun. So they are all there, yes, for your first terminal examination. Yes, children, right? Okay. Let's go to the questions, and in the next period, I will discuss the questions. I mean, the MCQs on this because this time it's going to be yes,
classes will start.
Sir,
yes,
when the school will start, sir?
when the school is going to start. Right. All of you have filled in that consent form. You are supposed to fill in the consent form. All right. So some of the parents are of the opinion that it's a better to start once you are in seventh standard, and many of them they say that yes, they are ready to send.
Sir,
Yes,
my father, yes, sir.
the authorities are just watching the situation now. Yes, because the number of cases are going up of coronavirus. So soon they may take up the decision about regarding that. Okay, we'll be very happy to receive you all. Right now, let's go to this question now. Shall we go to the first question now? Shall we discuss this question? You can try to give answers for these questions. Why did Swami Haridas say Tansen was talented? So why did Swami Haridas say Tansen was talented? Yes.
Sir, he is jealous about
Because
Tansen.
No.
he
This is a
mimicked like
story
a
based on
tiger, sir.
Imitate.
he could yes imitate
Sir, he
the roaring
mimicked
of
like a
tiger.
tiger.
Right, he could
Yes,
imitate the
sir.
calls of the animals and birds. That is the reason Swami Haridas felt that though Tansen was a naughty, he was also talented. Okay, so this question is on the based on the first paragraph. Why did Akbar ask Tansen to join his court? So why did Akbar ask Tansen to join his court?
Sir, because he was a great
He was a
singer.
good musician.
Yes, he was a great singer and musician.
Yes,
Very good.
sir. Musician
Okay.
singer.
Also have
Sir.
Right. So how do we know that Akbar
He
was
was
fond
so
of
fond of
Tansen?
his music
So how do we know that Akbar
that
was fond
sometimes
of
he used to
Tansen?
Sir,
Akbar
because sometimes he is going to Tansen's
his house to listen.
house to listen the practice of Tansen.
So he used to listen to
Sir,
even yes, he used to listen to his music. Yes, whenever yes, he wished to go, right? So sometimes he used to go to his
sir, and
house.
he also goes Tansen house, sir.
Right. Okay. Good. So they are asked to give you two reasons. One was that he was favorite of yes, Akbar. That's it. And second one, whenever is to practice, that time is to go and listen to his music. Secondly, day and night. Yes, he liked to listen to his music, right? What did the other courtiers feel about Tansen? What did they feel about Tansen? They were
Sir, jealous.
Yes, and
jealous.
Jealous, sir.
Very much jealous. Right. They were very much jealous of Tansen. What happens if Rag Deepak is sung properly? If Rag Deepak is sung properly,
Sir, the singer
singer
will
will burn.
become ashes.
Burning the ashes, sir.
one will get burned to ashes. That is it. So if Rag Deepak is sung properly, Deepak lamp is lit and one may get burned to ashes. So one may burn himself. Why did Tansen's enemies want him to sing the raga? So why do they want yes Tansen to sing raga? Raga Deepak?
Because he will burn.
Because
Sir,
they will show that
So they
to
he will
trap
feel
the Tansen and to kill him, sir.
to kill him or yes. Right. So let's go to the next one. Why did Tansen agree to sing Rag Deepak? So he never wanted to disobey the king.
He
That is the reason. Yes.
didn't want to tell no to king, sir.
Right. So he never wanted
Sir,
to
is
disobey the
Tansen
king.
also
That is the
Muslim,
reason
sir?
he agreed to sing Rag Deepak. Yes. What is your question?
Is Tansen also Muslim, sir?
What has happened in the case of Tansen? Yes, he was Hindu, born Hindu.
No,
He
sir,
got
he was.
married to no, he got married to a Muslim woman, Husseini, and he was a disciple of
Okay, sir.
Udghosh, right? So afterwards, when he got
Sir,
married to
Birbal was
Husseini,
also
afterwards
Muslim,
he
sir.
got converted. Yes, he got converted, right? But you see, daughter's name is kept as Saraswati, right? Akbar was Muslim, right? King Akbar, Emperor Akbar was Muslim. Okay, let's go to the.
Akbar was Muslim.
Sir, Birbal is the follower of
Birbal is
the
sir. Birbal is
Din Ilahi.
Ah, yes.
sir. We have
Birbal.
to don't judge the religion, sir. We have to
Right.
judge the talent.
Right. Talent. That is very important, right? Okay. Okay. We'll go ahead with this. Right. So we'll go to the next question now. Shall we go to the next question? What steps did
yes,
he
sir.
take to save himself? What were
He
the
trained his
steps
daughter
taken by
and
him?
his friend to do
told his daughter
Raga
and his
Mega
friend
so he can
to
be
sing
saved
Raga
by
Mega
the rain.
after the lamps burn.
Okay, so he trained, okay, he taught what? Raga Mega to his daughter and her friend. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
name of daughter? Saraswati. And yes, he trained them for 2 weeks. Right? Did his plan work? Yes, it worked. And what happened? It saved his life. Okay. So, right. So, this question is for you. Are you interested in music? And do you like classical music? So, some of you are great musicians. I know that. So, you can play on different instruments. I'm quite sure that in future, yes, Rag Bhairavi by Bismillah Khan. Right. Okay. Fine. I'm happy that you are able to tell more about, yes, great musicians like Bismillah Khan and all. Right. Okay, children. Bye bye. Goodbye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
And happy advanced Makar Sankranti, sir.
Okay, bye.
advance happy Makara Sankranti, sir.
Advance happy Makara
Same to
Sankranti.
you. Thank you. Same to you. Okay. Right, children.
Advanced happy
Happy,
Sankranti, sir.
happy